Hello, everyone. My name is Adrienne Vought, and today I would like to briefly walk you through my first ever Tableau dashboard created for the Unit 2 assignment in Data 625 Data Visualization. This dashboard explores data from the 2020 US presidential election. Using several visualizations, we will analyze state populations, the number of counties within each state, and voting results for the two major political parties across different regions of the United States. Let's begin with the map showing the number of counties in each state. Counties are important because they serve as local voting units and play a vital role in election administration. A candidate can win many counties with small populations and still lose the state if their opponent wins fewer but more heavily populated counties. On this map, we can see that although Alaska is by far the largest state in terms of land area, it has significantly fewer counties than Texas, the second largest state. Next, let's explore the bar chart showing election results by region. Political campaigns often decide where to invest time, money, and advertising based on which regions are highly competitive and which consistently favor one party. When we look at the Midwest, it's split almost evenly between Democratic and Republican support. The presidential candidate might use this information to increase their presence in a region in hopes of gaining enough support to swing the outcome in their favor. Our final visualization is a tree map displaying population by state. Candidates often spend more time and resources in highly populated states because they contain more voters and more electoral votes. Here we can compare California, the most populous state, with its northern neighbor, Oregon, which has significantly smaller population. From a campaign perspective, a candidate would likely devote more time and resources to California because of its larger voter population. Along with the ability to hide any of the graphics on the dashboard, another interactive feature is the ability to filter the data. To see which states belong to a particular region, we can click on the region results visualization as a filter. This allows us not only to identify states within a region, but also to examine how each state aligns politically. For example, when we click on the Midwest, we can see that the Democratic leaning states are more concentrated in the northeastern portion of the region. We can also explore data at the state level by selecting a state from the map. Narrowing the dashboard to a single state allows us to see differences more clearly. For example, the South as a region shows significantly stronger Republican than Democratic support. If we select Virginia, we can see its population, the counties it contains, and that it voted Democratic in the 2020 election. But if we select Virginia's southern neighbor, North Carolina, we find that the two states are similar in population and counties. However, North Carolina differs in that it voted Republican. This distinction becomes much more easier to identify using the dashboard's filtering capabilities. The tree map provides a similar filtering experience, allowing users to focus on individual states and compare how population, county counts, and voting results relate to one another. This dashboard demonstrates how multiple factors influence our understanding of election outcomes. Through these visualizations, we gain a deeper understanding of how population distribution and regional characteristics contribute to the electoral landscape of the United States. Thank you for taking the time to explore my dashboard and learn more about the factors that influence the 2020 election results.